Okay.
All right.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It is a very rainy day here today.
Yes.
So we are going to do farm chores in the rain.
Farm chores in the rain.
You can see it was raining most of the night. Oops.
Oop.
Sorry about that. There's our mud puddle.
Yep. We
There's
kind
some
of got a
treasure.
little break in the rain right now, so we're gonna try to feed real quick.
Yeah, it's still sprinkling, but
Get this done.
better than it was.
Sorry, I'm a fast walker, and Jenna's not a fast walker.
I think
so.
it's because he's like over a foot taller than me, so his legs are way longer than mine. And
Yeah.
so,
Everybody I walk with says I walk fast.
no,
though.
you are. You're like
I
a
don't mean to.
speed walker.
I walk with purpose. I
walk with peace.
Yes.
I like to do things slow and methodical. Yeah.
Yes, you do. All right. Well,
All right, we're gonna get to it. And
I got some oatmeal that did not turn out here.
the
because
milk was
there was a miscommunication with soaking the
the
oats
oatmeal
last
overnight.
night, so anyway, all right.
I don't
Let's
think it would
get
taste
this
very
done.
good, but the pigs will like it.
Yep.
Oh, pepper.
What am I looking at?
Is it? Where's pepper?
Jacob was holding him.
You're so soggy. Ooh. Water dripped right on my face. No. All right.
All right.
Ruby has her chape.
Look at my knife. Look at
What?
her forehead. She bumped me in the hip.
Oh,
She bumped me in the hip with her head when I was feeding her.
and your knife hooked in her
My knife
mane,
was hooked in
in her
her mane. She
forelock.
unclipped it out of my pocket.
That's funny. All right.
Yeah.
Here you go.
I was like, how
There's
did my
Nerf
knife get
darts
there?
over there.
Yeah, let me grab those.
They're not supposed to be
They're not
in the
supposed to be in
field.
the pasture.
Ruby's got her. Anyway, this is where Derek started the feed room. It's going to be a nice size. The
8 by
flooring,
10.
8 by 10. The flooring will go down, and we'll frame up the sides.
Yeah, we're
We don't
framing
have.
it out of what we have. Some scrap material I brought home. So some of it are from walls that we've removed from houses. So we just have to pull some of the boards apart, and we're just going to reuse them because it's free.
We're going to do it as we can.
Yep.
Go along. We don't have any of the walls material yet. Is that right?
Right.
The sides,
Well, I
the
have
siding.
this. I think I have the framing. We
The
just have
framing.
to start pulling things apart.
The siding. I mean.
Yeah, we don't have the siding yet,
But we'll get that.
but we're gonna frame it up first. Do the floor, frame it up, and then as we get the siding, we should be able to mostly finish it. The siding, because we're not gonna put a roof on it. We'll do like a chicken wire ceiling to keep the chickens and other critters out
Yeah.
in the top. But the barn roof will serve as the roof for
Yep.
it. I have a hole up there I need to patch, but
A giant hole. Yeah, that
our
won't be
free
good.
barn.
looking. Yep, it was free. So hey,
So we have no
there's
complaints.
Buster. All right.
I'm gonna bring the rest of this bag of chocolate that I'm trying to stuff
All right.
in the bucket.
I'll meet you around there. Everybody's soggy. Oh, the pigs are out. Wow, they heard us feeding and they came over. Jacob, you can't come outside in the boots and a diaper. It's raining, baby dog. Buster. That's why Buster came running around here like that. He knew they were out.
I thought he was running around with purpose.
Yeah, he seems like he was. Buster does not like for the pigs to get out. He tries to herd them back.
Come on, goats.
Hey, piggies.
Dump this water out.
I think you should put some of that chape in the other pan for the goats because the
Okay.
steers often knock them
They're
around.
not gonna. I'm gonna feed the goats their grain in the other.
Oh
pan, I
yeah,
think.
that's right. They need their grain. I forgot. I don't know what I'm thinking. Goaties. Tango, when are you gonna have those babies? In April? You look like you're ready to pop already.
Yeah, don't worry, the Buster. No.
Mara's knee is much better. It's still a little bit swollen, but she's not limping like she was. Our hay is getting rained on that one bale really bad.
Yeah, they really tore. They're eating that one already.
Yeah.
They'll probably roll that one out now.
I was gonna say we should roll it out today. It's been a week. And try to cover the rest of us. No, baby, it's raining. What, honey? No, go get it. Tell Emma to find your jacket. The garden has been a week in the ground now. I haven't checked it for sprouting, but I don't think anything would be sprouted just yet. We covered the rows last week when it was going to rain and pound. I mean, it was a heavy, heavy rainstorm last week. But the rain really pounded down on them, so I don't know. We'll have to try to uncover them a little bit and see what's going on in there.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Hey, pigs. Hey, piggies.
The pigs thought they were going to eat out here.
Hey, pigs. Come on.
Hey, put that over. Yeah.
Hey,
Come here, Mara. Come in, Tango.
Pig.
They don't usually eat their grain when they have chaff.
I know, they like the chaff hay better than
Jack,
it.
turn the wire off real quick. Come on, piggies. Come on, piggies.
They're learning to follow a bucket. That's good. Come on, pig. Babe, call them.
Hey, piggies. Come on, pigs. Come on, pigs.
Come on, pigs.
I think you got it unplugged. Don't hear it popping anymore. Yeah.
I'm glad since you grabbed it.
Pig.
I'm trying to herd them that way. They don't.
Come on, piggies.
No, piggies.
Come on, piggies.
Shake that bucket, babe.
Shake it. It's oatmeal.
Oh,
Come on, pigs. Come on, pigs. Come on, pigs. Come on, pigs.
they're afraid to go under that wire.
Pigs. Yep.
Go on. No, pigs. That's the wrong direction. Jack, you herd them this way a little bit.
Pig. Come on, pigs.
Aside from the wild pigs, we've never had pigs that don't respect the wire at all. Okay, Jack, keep in there.
Hey, piggies. Pig.
That's right, Buster. Get him.
Get 'em, boy.
Chase him, Buster. Get him, Buster. When we want you to chase an animal, you won't.
Get them.
Pigs.
Get them.
There we go.
Come on, piggies.
All right.
Hey,
Get him.
piggies. Come on, pig.
I missed the wire. Actually, I hit the wire.
Come on, pigs.
That's why they call me Gracie.
Hey, Jack, get ready to go plug it back.
They don't really.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, they see him now.
Come on, pigs.
All right.
Y'all are gonna love that.
Run back and get that wire on. Good
As
job.
they come in, Jack.
Hang on. Watch them to make sure they go
Come
in.
on, pigs. They can smell that fermented.
Mm-hmm. It probably would have been safe to eat, but the kids aren't big on. Oh, Buster!
Yep, that little pig bit at him.
Yeah,
Let me come out of here.
there they
can
go.
Smell that food. They'll go on here in a second.
Can we step on that wire?
Well, they don't like you to get close enough to them. I can probably prop it up with something.
Hang on, they might go in.
Here, piggies.
They want that bucket.
Yep,
Buster wants that bucket too.
Is it off, Jack?
Yeah. Buster. Poor little
Yeah.
things are
We
starving to
haven't eaten
death.
in a year. Come on,
Yeah.
piggies. Come on, pigs. Come on, pigs.
Come on, pigs.
Come on, pigs. Come on. Come on, pigs. They can go under it right there. They don't.
There they go. All right.
All right, Jack.
He's gone. He's on.
I think that they'll learn that when they get fed here, they'll probably just stay in here.
Yeah, I would think, but
Look at
what
them
happened
scarfing
was
that down.
they were in, and then they heard us over there messing in the feed, and they
Yep.
came running over.
We might have to start feeding them first thing.
Yeah,
Maybe if we measure out their feed
at night.
at night and then come straight out and feed them in here.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
We need to train them that this is their.
This is a good place to be. You don't want to get stuck back in that compost bin
Look at them scarfing
any
that
more than I
oatmeal
want you
down.
in that compost bin.
I knew they would love it.
I know.
That's funny. Hey.
It's good for them.
Very good. Look, and they ate a lot yesterday. I mean, they're not even. It's not like they've been underfed. Look how fat they are. That's funny. I have never seen them attack anything that much. That's funny how she bit at Buster.
I know.
He went right back after her. He's like, "You don't do that to me."
I know. Buster, you're a tough farm dog, aren't you?
He is. If we just get him to quit killing chickens.
Yeah, he only killed one, but he chases them. He'd given the opportunity, he would
He
kill
would,
more.
yeah.
He's gotten better, but we
He's
can't.
still young. He's just over a year old. So
Yeah, and
hopefully
when we're
once he gets out of
outside with
that puppy
him,
stage.
He doesn't. Sometimes he'll chase him, but when we're outside, he does a lot better.
Yep.
Right?
Look at them eating, Jack. Have you ever seen them attack anything with that much vengeance?
Buster.
Oh, yeah. Hey, piggies.
All right.
I was telling your mommy, I think we start measuring out their food in the evenings at night, or when we go back to the feed room, we'll measure it out.
Right.
And then we'll bring it, first thing, we'll go out the side door in the mornings, get their food and bring it straight out here to them before they hear us over there messing around.
Okay.
We'll train them. This is where they get fed, and they probably will stay in here after
When
that.
we came outside, they were
They were still in here.
still in here, yeah.
So if we go out the side door, they can't see you really.
We'd be very, very sneaky.
We'll get up here and get the vets here in a second.
Yeah.
Teach them.
Of course, they might decide they want more of that and follow us. We got to get chickens fed. Did the goats
their
ever
bellies
get their grain?
fattening.
Yeah, they're eating.
All right. Yep, the goats are eating their grain.
All right, let's go. We'll go ahead and let the chickens out and then put their feet out, I
Yeah,
guess.
there's one of the boys' bog loaves left out here
Oh,
in the rain.
lovely.
Yep.
Over here where it's not supposed to be. Imagine that.
I wonder what was right here. There's a dry spot.
That's weird.
I wonder if a rabbit or something bedded down right there last night.
Maybe, 'cause it's like completely dry.
Let's see.
All right.
I would hold your hand, but I got blood. I would probably get past you.
You're not gonna skip with me.
I'll be jerking you around.
Look at Buster.
Bustle Brown.
Uh,
Yeah, Bustle's over there. Here comes more rain. Let's go release the chickens.
Release these chickens.
Yep. That was an awesome time to drag the field.
I know. Wish we didn't have drag.
It's funny the pepper doesn't come over here. Because she's not blocked off.
Well, she wants to do it. Look, there's another. That was a bucket, I guess.
That's where your bucket you were sitting on,
Oh.
where Pepper's bucket was last night.
Yeah.
I was wondering how it ended up over here.
Well, actually, I never even sat on it. We brought it over for me to sit on, and then Jacob sat on its side.
It
And
popped right down.
it's like, oh well, he's allowed.
Yep.
Sometimes you choose your battles when it comes to 2-year-olds. He didn't know it was for me. He just thought somebody brought him a seat. So, I'm just let him have it. Yeah. Drop the door on the chicken.
No.
Jake. There they go.
Did you dump their feet yet, Jack? Probably not.
No, sir.
Okay, that's
We'll
fine.
do that in a minute.
We'll give it to him. Look at
There's
Buster.
Luigi the
He's
rooster.
Luigi the rooster.
I want to chase them so bad. I can't stand it.
It's good for him to practice self-control.
Yep.
3 eggs over here.
Are they?
There's one there. Can you see up there? Because I don't really want
Oops, sorry, Jack.
like the kids do.
No eggs.
Okay. Yep. We've got to clean this coop. It is
It's
nasty. It's gross. Yep. They're pretty. There's a light brown, a darker brown, and a green one.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we should put these in the incubator.
It actually looks blue in the camera.
Yeah, it's kind of bluish greenish. All right. Excuse me. I can't reach past you.
Ow.
I mean, are you okay?
Yeah.
Wow.
Eh,
The
fall.
rain is coming more and more.
I know. Usually the kids are with us out here, but since it was raining, we didn't bring anybody but Jack out. And I never have to get in here and climb up under here and get eggs. And of course, they're obviously not supposed to be laying
Down there.
down there.
No.
Supposed to be laying in the nesting box. Chickens is do what chickens is want to do. All right, let's see. Look, the chickens are like, wait, where's our food?
I think the chickens are the last things to feed.
Yeah. We gotta give Ruby her grain.
Yeah, she'll
She's
probably be
knocked her
eating
pan out in the rain.
it.
The goats are eating the peanut hay again.
Oh,
Yeah, they need to go back to
let's
there.
put them back. We didn't end up running our electric wire in the garden yet, like we were going to. We just ran out of time yesterday. We had
We may do that.
we had an event at the church we had to be there for, so Derek runs sound, and there was a special night of worship at church, so we didn't get to get everything done.
There is freedom.
break in the rain later today, we'll do that. Buster, what are you doing, dude?
He's probably eating his food.
Shitty beagle. Buster. I'm gonna put this down for him. He wants to eat this so bad. Here you go, Buster.
I was just thinking we needed to rinse it out.
He's cold.
Is he?
He's shivering a little bit. Poor puppy.
He chooses to be in the rain.
He likes to. I know he has shelter and warmth, but that's a dog for you.
The feed line. All right.
That Luigi?
Yep, that's
Yep.
Yep, this one.
Yeah, and this is the hen, and I don't know what they are. They're the ones Tanya sent us, and I cannot remember for the life of me what kind they are. I'll have to ask her. Or do you
Where's
know what
Mario?
kind of?
Oh, there he is.
Where?
She is. That's Mario.
That's what's that
That's
one? I thought
Luigi.
it was Mario.
Mario. No, the darker red one's Mario.
Okay. What does anybody know what kind of chicken this is?
I
It's
don't.
pretty. It might be a mix. Tanya, our friend Tanya has you can go on her website, Clover Hill Farm, and she's in Virginia, and she sells fertilized eggs and some rare breeds, and they're pretty awesome.
Yeah, they're pretty chickens.
They're pretty chickens.
All right, Jack,
Let's get Ruby.
She's not ready for her grain
No,
yet.
but I'm gonna pull her pan back under this.
Okay. You want to set those eggs down? Because Jack and I are going to roll on a round bale, run some wire across real quick.
Let me
You do that, and I'm going to grab some posts because the rain is really starting to come down. Come on, goats. Come on, goats. Come on, Tango. Come on. This way.
this water truck is in the way.
Come on. Come on.
There.
Come on.
Jacob was playing in it yesterday.
I'm sure he was. It didn't have water in it. He's pretending it's dead. All right. Made it nice and wet. I'm going to run these eggs in the house so they don't get soaking wet. And we don't forget them. Buster's in our pot now. Buster, that's gross.
Peanut hay.
Huh?
They quit eating their grain to go eat peanut hay. Oh, Buster's licking that pot, baby.
I know. I was going to grab it in a second. I'm going to get Emma to come get these eggs for me. I don't want to tromp in the house with my mud boots on.
No.
Hey, Emma, baby, come here. Come here, darling. You, baby. Okay, come right back. Put those up, and then I'm going to get these pot, okay? Okay. I'm going to came in that pot.
Yes, ma'am.
Bub.
Cool.
All right, hey, Emma, here's this pot.
Come on, Buster.